years for that. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Give Me Them Keys. Psych, these are my keys. This is the car I've been working on for the past 3 years. I finally got it running. It's tuned. It's good to go. This is my first drive, well, my first real drive. So, if you've been watching this build, you saw I just left the Dyno. And I said I'm gonna come home, charge my battery, set everything up, and then actually come back out here and actually drive it. So I still have not went full throttle, even on my way home. I said I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna wait for you guys. I'm gonna wait for my first reaction. So car's already warmed up. I just need a little bit of room. So I'm very excited. I'm very accomplished right now. So at the Dyno, the car made 301 wheel. Not the numbers I wanted to see. Wanted to see a little bit more, but this is a bone stock M52. The only thing I've done was head studs, and Dave told me I'd probably make like another 30 wheel with S52 cams. Maybe I'll do it one day, but so far that's all it is. And then the CX Racing kit, pretty much how it comes out of the box, and it makes about 7-8 pounds. So he told me I can actually get a manual boost controller and up it to 13. I'd be safe on this tune, so I might do that. That'll get me closer to like 350, 360 maybe. So, but 301 wheel, I'm about to feel it for the first time. I know a 301 doesn't sound like a lot, especially compared to a bunch of other cars I've drove in this channel, but E36s are pretty light chassis. They're only like 3,100 pounds, so, and I don't even have a hood right now, so it's power to weight ratio, and just feeling the boost is it's gonna feel great. Like that little half pull I did already just leaving the neighborhood felt great. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. So since we get some open road. Oh my God, I can't believe I did this. If you guys been watching this series, or if you're new here, did this all myself, man. Did this all myself in the garage. Didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how to engine swap. I didn't know how to turbo a car and all this stuff. I just, did my own research and just put stuff together and kind of figured it out. So, I mean, it's all I could really do, and it works. So, so it stayed together at the Dyno. And we got 300 wheel. We got 300 wheel to play with, so it's about that time. I don't know what's gonna do traction wise. I have no idea. I'm just gonna do second gear. And here we go, baby. Yeah, compared to other cars I drive, it's not super fast, but I mean, it feels great. It feels oh my God. Can't believe I did this. Can't believe I did this. Can't believe I'm finally driving this thing after so long. Did this, man. I'm so proud right now. This is not your usual Give Me Them Keys episodes, but it's just a moment. I just want you guys to take this moment with me right now. That's all. Just I did this. Oh my God. said it. I said the first time I get hit boost, I was gonna cry. I'm just so proud of myself. I worked so hard. And I always dreamed of this moment, and I'm actually here. Oh my God. I need to stop crying and start smiling. Oh my God, I am so I'm so happy right now. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta go home. I got some stuff to do at home. I got some videos to edit. Got some stuff to do at home. I gotta work on the other car. I gotta drift event tomorrow. Oh my God, dude. I can't believe this. Jesus, dude. I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to cry. And now I'm sitting in traffic. I look like a fool right now. Okay. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. I'm gonna turn around, do one more pull, then I'm bringing it in, man. I'm not even gonna cut anything. It's gonna be one raw edit. I want you guys to feel what I'm feeling right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sounds so sick, dude. Sounds so sick. Exhaust only comes from the downpipe and it's got a mid pipe, so it's like exhaust is about right here. I'm gonna get a full exhaust. Remember when I was stance, I had quad pipes all the way back. I'm gonna do the same thing. I love that look, and you know it'll be turbo, and maybe it spit some flames out of quad pipes. It might look sick. So I'm gonna do that. Like I said, this build's gonna keep going. It's driving. Now, like I said, I got to put stuff back together. I don't have headlights right now. No, missing kidney grills, missing other little random stuff. I have no door panel. It's at home, but you know, just it's a project. I'm still working on it. But the fact that I'm driving this thing, I boosted this thing by myself. Oh, feels great. Feels great, man. So if you've been watching this journey, I guess everything I've been doing right. I know some stuff was messed up, some stuff, but you know I post my mistakes and you know try to get you guys to not do what I did and stuff like that. So I mean I'm not embarrassed by them. I can only be embarrassed if I don't learn from my mistakes. So I'm okay with making mistakes as long as I fix them. So that's try not to cry again. Whew. All right, let's wait on this light. I can't believe it, dude. I cannot believe this, dude. And later we'll do E35, like 15 pounds of boost, probably closer to 450, 500. That'd be nice. 300, you know, honestly, 300 really ain't that bad. This feels great. This is, like I said, it's a light car. This feels amazing. And 300 is probably pretty reliable on it. So, I mean, I would do this again. You know, I got that, got my drift car. Maybe I'll boost that. 300 on the drift car. That's